Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can do the Torn Encirclement Quest in Crimson Desert. So for the Torn Encirclement Quest we want to come to the north area here. We are directly north of Pywell and all you need to do is just follow the road up through the Hook Rapids here. It's worth mentioning the outpost that I'm currently at does have a merchant if you need to empty your bags, and then further up the road we have the occupied outpost. When we get to the outpost we will have to destroy 2 buildings and slay a number of the guards there. In order to destroy the buildings, all you need to do is do a charged attack against the wall and they will collapse. So as we approach the village, the first building that we want to destroy is on our right up here. And all you need to do to destroy it is come up to it and do a special attack against the wall to start bringing the walls down. Like such. And as you can see there, now I only have the infirmary left to destroy because this building's now been removed. And it's towards the back of the camp. And once again, all you need to do is just continue to destroy the walls around it. Now, once you've destroyed both the buildings, it's much easier to just finish off the rest of them at a distance by just hanging around on the outskirts and picking them off one by one. Don't forget to eat plenty of food to heal yourself up as you play before going back in for more pain. And then once you've finally killed enough, you should then get a cutscene. And there we have it, guys. The camp is now liberated and you can see we've just completed the quest Torn Encirclement. So I really hope that that tutorial helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It's greatly appreciated and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.